Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Leo, the business analyst of the Dispatch.ai P3 project, and I'm here with my teammates together to share with you some interesting topics about our project. With the tagline, Let AI Handle Your Calls, this project aims to develop an AI agent solution to automate call answering and optimize follow-up task flow, making small businesses and individuals focus on growing their own business without any other concerns. And here is our table of content part for today's presentation. So we'll start with the project background and intro part, followed by our team introduction, and also our project plan and the project features and the scope introduction. And later we'll have a deep talk about the database and the structure part, followed by the agile workflow applied in our project. And then finally, we're going to talk about the technology step part. And now I will hand it over to Chloe to start from the project background part.
Thank you, Leo. Hi, everyone. I'm Chloe. Let's begin by exploring the real-world challenges many service-based businesses face today. Missed calls often mean missed revenue. When no one is available to manage bookings, especially after hours, customers are left hanging. Hiring full-time staff to cover this gap can be costly, and even then, human limitations remains. All of this leads to the customer frustration and ultimately lost business. These traditional pain points became the foundation for our solutions. This is where Dispatch.ai comes in. You're always on AI-powered virtual receptionist. It ensures every call is answered, every booking is made, and no opportunity slips through the cracks, and all without having more staff. Using natural voice recognition, the assistant communicates with customers just like a real human. It captures job details, sends instant notifications to providers, and operates 24/7 without ever needing a break. It's a cost-effective, scalable, and built to empower small businesses with enterprise-level responsiveness. Let's highlight the core features that make Dispatch.ai a game changer. For the auto calling answering, it picks up every call at any time of the day or night. For AI-powered conversations, it understands natural speech and can handle real conversations just like a human assistant. For smart booking flow, it collects key job details in a structured way to minimize back-end event force and errors. For instance notifications, the service provider is notified immediately via phone or dashboard, enabling fast follow-ups and better customer service. In short, Dispatch.ai transforms missed opportunities into booked jobs automatically, intelligently, and efficiently. Now that you've seen and what and why behind the Dispatch.ai, it's time to meet the brilliant minds who brought these solutions to life. Let Ethan introduce you to the team behind the innovation.
Hi everyone, I'm Ethan. I'd like to pull back the curtain and show you the 12 talent mind who turned Dispatch AI from idea into a work product. Our tutor is Alan, and our team leader is Paco. He is also our developer. And the business analyst is Leo. Our UI designer is Yulia. And then is our full task developer, Chloe, Coco, Ethan, Ivan, Freya, Leo, Mark, Tim, and David. Lean team, big impact. Together we cover every layer of the stack. Now Freya will walk you through our project plan.
Thanks, Ethan. My name is Freya, and I'm excited to give you a brief introduction of our project plan, which is structured into 3 progressive phases: basic system, enhanced features, and advanced features. In phase 1, basic system, we will focus on building a solid foundation. This includes setting up phone number registration and onboarding, design the database structure, creating mock call flow, and implementing basic call handling and reporting functions. We will also embed this Stripe payment integration to ensure a seamless onboarding experience for users. Once the basic system is in place, we will move to phase 2, enhanced features. Here, we will enable basic AI-driven conversation with customers. The system will be able to automatically capture booking information from dialogues, And we will also develop a simple dashboard for service providers to easily view and manage their bookings. Finally, in Phase 3, Advanced Features, we aim to support multi-turn context-aware conversations, allowing users to reschedule or cancel bookings through AI. We will upgrade the dashboard to be fully featured, providing real-time booking status and calendar views. Additionally, we plan to integrate with third-party CRMs and calendars, such as Google Calendar, to create a truly connected experience. By following this phased approach, we ensure steady progress while allowing flexibility to adapt and enhance features based on user feedback. That's all for my part. Now I'll hand it over to Mark to introduce our project feature and scope.
Thanks a lot, Freya. Now I'll introduce the scope of our project. So at this stage, we're focusing on what matters most. So first of all, we're going to implement automatic AI-powered call handling. Second, a simple dashboard for the service providers. Last but not least, essential booking functionality, which is capturing key details such as time, date, and service type. For us to stay focused, we are intentionally leaving out features such as multi-language support, mobile apps, and also a full-scale CRM system out of the scope for now. Right. Now, let me introduce the feature list. So in this project, we're going to implement 4 key features. The first of all is a call handling feature, which is supported by a ChatGPT large language model. The second is the booking information extraction, which is also come with the text-to-speech integration, which is enabled by that. Last but not least, payment integration using Stripe, which enables Dispatch.ai to receive payments seamlessly. Now, let's go to the business process page to see how these features work together to bring you the process. Please go to the next page. Thanks. So here's how Dispatch.ai works from call to confirmation. It all starts with an incoming call, if you can look at the top left of the picture. So our AI answers instantly using natural human-like conversation 24/7, no matter what time of the day. And as the customer speaks, the system uses speech to text to understand and extract key booking informations. And those information are immediately saved to the dashboard and for the service provider to review and to manage their orders and bookings. And at the same time, a real-time notification is sent to the service provider. So from there, so a provider can manage all the booking effortlessly. No missing calls, no lost customers, just seamless automation. Right, so that's all of my part. Now I'll pass the floor to our team leader, Paco, to introduce the database design.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Paco, and I'm the team leader of this project. Today, I will present the database and structure design for our AI system. Our system is divided into 3 main parts: account and subscription management, call and booking management, and service and availability management. And I will briefly introduce each part. Next page. The first part, account and subscription management, manages platform users, company profiles, and the service subscription. Each user owns one company, and companies subscribe to service plan. Stripe is integrated to handle subscription billing and recurring the payments. Next page. The second part is the call and the booking management. It records all incoming calls and customer booking informations. Each call is located with details like status, caller's number, and the recording URL. Bookings save client information and answer to service-specific questions. Next page. The final part, service and availability management, defines the service offered by each company. Services are linked to multiple locations, and each locations can be managed intelligently using AI embeddings. Services are also define available times and dynamic booking questions. Okay, next slide.
Hi, I'm Leo, and I will continue by walking you through how we apply Agile in our daily workflow. The first, we work in 2-week sprints. Each sprint starts with a planning session to set clear objectives, and during the session, we prioritize our backlog items to ensure that the team triggers the most important tasks first. This helps us stay focused and aligned on what truly matters. Next, we move into our daily collaboration phase. Every day, we have quick stand-ups where team members show their progress and remove any roadblocks. GitHub hosts our code, and we use pull requests for peer review. This keeps our codebase clean and ensures that everyone stays informed. Transparent communication is the key. It helps us stay aligned and adapt quickly when things change. Finally, at the end of each sprint, we hold 2 sessions, a review, where we present what we have accomplished in a review meeting, and a retrospective, where we discuss and what didn't, and how to improve. The continuous feedback loop refine both our product and our teamwork. So that's our Agile workflow. The next speaker is Coco.
Hi everyone, I'm Coco. Today I will walk you through a quick overview of the technology stack behind the Dispatch.ai. On the front-end side, we chose the Next.js along with the React and MUI. The combined help us to build a fast, responsive interface, and with a TypeScript, our code stays clean and maintainable. Moving to the back-end, we use Next.js, a powerful Node.js framework. And we built a structured RESTful API to connect everything smoothly. For design, we rely on Zeppelin. It's a great tool to help our designer and developers stay perfectly in sync. As for database and cloud, we are using MongoDB and Redis for efficient data management. And we deploy everything on AWS service like the Lambda, EC2, VPC, and S3. We also integrate the long trains and join to manage our AI vector data. In testing and Agile development, we kept our quality high with Jest React testing library and Cypress. Plus, we use Jira, Confluence, and Docker to stay organized and move fast in Agile sprints. Finally, on the AI side, we power Dispatch.ai with MCP, RAG, and OpenAPI, making sure our system isn't just functional but truly smart. So in short, every choice in our tech stack is about the balancing reliable, scalability, and innovation. Thank you so much for your attention. We hope you are excited as we are about what Dispatch.ai can do. Thank you for watching.